to spread it to others, including friends and family. And the unvaccinated have a significantly higher risk of ending up in a hospital or even dying. Still too many, where people are very eager to get their booster, where it's harder to get an appointment, new pop-up vaccination clinics all across the country where you can get that booster shot. We've opened, we're moving medical teams.
Have you noticed that as everything around you seems to decline, one thing still grows? It is the power of your rulers. None of their plans and directives have solved your problems or made your life better. The only result has been their increased control over you at the cost of your freedom. Do you know why? You gave them the power.